The Council of Wells is now in session.
Okay, who invited Thawne to this meeting?
Whoops.
There he is, the man of the hour. Let's begin.
Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today we will show you how to build Harrison Wells from Season 1 of The Flash. The first thing you will need is a black comb-over hairpiece. You will need the Clark Kent head from the DC Superheroes Unite book. You will need to get him a black shirt. He won't actually need a hip piece. And you'll need to get him some black legs. He has a pretty complicated wheelchair, so I'll have to show you how to build that piece by piece. Perhaps I'll put on some music for this portion of the video. That concludes this week's video. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed the background music.